boys, DJ here, and that's what you just saw there, but this video might come up like before, so don't blame me if it does. This right here is my BB gun. This is a clip, it hasn't got anything in. Part here, if you listen to it, that was it right there. Kinda heavy. The gun's kinda heavy itself, but then when you put the clip in, it's actually a lot heavier. And safety done. Yeah, this is like a really good gun. It's quite expensive, I'd say, because like I don't know. Actually, but I didn't buy it. But I've been doing like looking up on Wiki like how much the BB guns cost. There was so there's a one in the USA which you can buy for 16 quid. It's called the Black Ops revolver. It's like, it looks like a real gun, but it actually isn't. But it's really powerful. Like, say, like you go like that and you go. Also, right now I am on my bed, and this mask. Tasty. Yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. La 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 la.